I'm ready.
Are you ready, Albert? What's the tips number?
Looks shiny.
We've started this whole project back in February of 2019, so about a year and a half ago. The Flying V is a new aircraft configuration. The fuselage and the wing are integrated in one body, and that means that the airplane consumes less fuel than a conventional tube and wing aircraft. The scaled model has been designed not only to demonstrate that the Flying V can indeed fly, but also that we can actually do a test with it. We can make maneuvers with the airplanes and then measure the response of the airplane. So in that sense, it's really a scientific vehicle that we use to perform tests with.
We do plan to have hopefully a few flights today, so that we can at least get some useful data that we can go back and analyze and also plan further flight tests.
Yeah, it's getting a little tenser towards that moment of first flight, absolutely. And I know the whole team is feeling that.
It's sunny and there's a light breeze, so it looks like it's the perfect conditions actually for the flight. We've done all of the checks that we need to do. I'm confident in the pilot and he's calm, and if he's calm, then I'm calm.
There's one particular feature of this plane that's very unconventional. If we are exceeding a certain angle of attack, then there's a sudden nose-up pitching moment. So it's becoming unstable.
Yes, get some throttle. Yeah.
Right side, yes. Yes, left side also. I'm ready.
Are you ready, Albert? Yes, we're ready. Five, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 20, 22.
In the air. I continue.
Yes, baby. 24, 25, 28, 33, batteries are at 80, and you're currently at 6 degrees. It's a bit heavy. Moving back, you're clear. Speed is good. Speed is high and good. It's been 2 years of intense, stressful work to reach this moment, and then to have it confirmed that it flies, all of that hard work. It was worth putting in all of the hours, making sure everything's correct and built properly, built accurately, and it pays off. I think we're all happy that we succeeded and achieved the goal of flying the Flying V.